Well, over to the BJP, which too has problems of its own. The induction of JDU leader Sabir Ali that has now led to open rebellion within the party. Here's Balbir Punj, who's also voicing his opposition to this latest recruitment.
We have with us BJP leader Balbir Punj. Sir, right now Sabir Ali has come out and he said that he's ready to put his membership of the BJP on hold till the time a decision is not taken by the central leadership.
The issue is that in public life, in politics, it is the perception that matters. And I am not going into the charges which have been levelled against Mr. Sabir Ali over the years. They are right or wrong. That is for courts to decide. But the perception about him, the perception about the political work he has put in, the perception about the statements he had made are totally inconsistent with the brand of politics, the nationalist politics, which the BJP and earlier the Jan Sangh has practiced right from their inception. And the decision to take Mr. Sabir Ali into BJP has shocked millions of BJP supporters, sympathizers, and all the patriotic people of this country.
Sir, but wasn't it a decision that was privy to the central leadership before inducting Sabir Ali?
Well, decisions are taken by human beings. Anybody can make a mistake. And Bharatiya Janata Party is a democratic party where people do express their opinions. And I think the central leadership will take cognizance of the feelings of the millions of Karyakartas and revisit the decision to induct Mr. Sabir Ali into the Bharatiya.
Sir, but if Sabir Ali himself is saying that he is ready to put his membership on hold, and if need be, then he will take action, and he's even going to write a letter to Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi. So will it be acceptable to the party if he himself withdraws?
Well, this is a call which the central leadership has to take. It is a matter between Mr. Sabir Ali and the central leadership.
Sir, but there is a feeling amongst everybody that if in case Sabir Ali himself revokes his induction, that is something that won't be very acceptable by the BJP leadership, because they want strict action to be taken against him.
No, all we want is that Mr. Sabir Ali and the Bharatiya Janata Party, they are incompatible with each other. His brand of politics and the sort of politics which we have practiced right from the day of Jan Sangh, they are at variance with each other. And therefore, we should part our ways.
So my last question. Just few days ago, we saw Pramod Mutalik being inducted and then his induction being revoked within few hours, and now Sabir Ali. Don't you think it is a very embarrassing situation for the BJP, because it sends out a wrong message that the BJP itself cannot decide who to induct and who not to?
There is another way of looking at it. BJP is a democratic party. If a mistake is made, there is a mechanism to correct it also.
And this time around for Sabir Ali, you are going to correct the mistake?
Well, that was the last question was supposed to be your last question.
Thank you so much for talking to Headlines today. So that was Mr. Balbir Punj, senior leader from the Bharatiya Janata Party, clearly saying that it was a mistake that was made by the BJP, and definitely it is a decision that needs to be taken between Sabir Ali and the BJP top leadership. With camera person Vicky, this is Aditya Anantnarayanan for Headlines today.